Hey, my awesome friends. I hope you're having a great Tuesday today. So I was so excited this week to begin our persuasive writing unit with thinking about ways that we can make the world a better place. So to kind of focus on our school first as we begin our first piece. So yesterday, guys, you had to think of ways that we can make our school a better place. You had to first really think about a problem. And when I say a problem, I mean like something that is making our school maybe not safe. What do you kind of see and observe at our school? Maybe it was in the cafeteria, people are not being safe on the playground. And then how is that place not safe? How is it a problem? Are people in the cafeteria not picking up their food and making others pick it up? That's not very nice. Or are they getting out of their seat without asking permission from our lunch monitors? That's not following the Husky way. So those are all great of convincing reasons why our cafeteria is a problem and why it's not a safe place. So yesterday, guys, you had to think about a problem. What problem do you see? And then give me two convincing reasons why that place is a problem and not safe. So you were telling me your opinion, which is tell me what you think. Tell me your feelings on why that place is, what place is not safe and why it's not safe. And giving me lots of reasons why. You had to give me two. Well, today we're doing the same thing. We're just kind of building on our writing like we do just in the classroom, my friends. And today you're going to add your third reason why you see that place being not safe. What reason do you have? What reason can you think of? Tell me your opinion. Because as writers, once we have begun, we are never done. We can always go back. We can always add more. Yesterday, you had to think about a problem and write two reasons why. Today, you're going to give me one more reason why this place is not safe and why it is not safe. Tell me your opinion. Really think about the way you feel. And I really need you to really write about it. Don't just give me the cafeteria is not safe. Give me some really good feeling of why it's not safe. Like, oh my goodness, I saw this problem. The cafeteria is not safe. So many of my friends are not following the Husky way. And then tell me reasons why. Really, really get lots of detail in your writing. You are awesome writers now, so I know me and your parents are expecting a lot from you. And today I also want you to add some pictures to your writing. If you have three reasons why, each of those reasons why should have a picture. So if you chose the place of the hallway maybe being not safe, if you told me one reason why people are running in the hallway, that reason, that page in your writing piece should have a picture. Maybe you also told me that people are not walking on the second square. You have to have a picture on that. So make sure that each three of your reasons have a picture to match. Okay, guys, so that's your mission today. Give me one more reason why the place that you chose is not safe, and make sure that each of those reasons why have a picture. We are asking you to write a lot and think a lot and add a lot to detail, so I cannot wait to see it, guys. Good luck. Have fun.